Hello student, in previous video we are talking about the matter is pure and which matter is impure. Pure is which type of matter which is made up from only one kind of particles, and it is divided in two categories, which is element and compound. Element are those type of matter which are made up from only one type of atom, and compound is which type of pure matter which are made up from two or more types of atom which are in definite proportion. And compound are divided into three subcategories, which is acid, base and salt. And element are divided into three categories, which is metal and non-metal and metalloids. So these are the common category of pure substances. And in this video we are going to discuss about mixture. Mixture or which type of substance which are made up from two or more type of substances which are physically combined. And we have divided two categories, which is homogeneous and heterogeneous. So these are the two types of mixture found into the universe. Here we have discussed one by one, and let's talk about homogeneous mixture. These type of mixture are mixed together in uniform composition. The homogeneous are those type of mixture in which the two type of substances are mixed uniformly. For example, we have to understand with the help of example. The example of homogeneous mixture is solution. Homogeneous mixture is solution, and solution is made up from two parts, which is solvent and solute. Suppose that, for example, take one beaker and add 50 ml water and add into 2 spoon sugar, and after dissolution the sugar into the water, we will find the sugar solution. And it is a mixture of it is an example of homogeneous mixture in which the two types of substance get completely mixed. But the question is arising in our mind, why we call the mixture? Why we do not call the compound? Because it mixed completely. So answer of this question, it called mixture because we did not identify how many particles of sugar get dissolved into the sugar solution. That's why this solution is called homogeneous mixture. So let's talk about in detail about the solution. We know that lemon and water. This is a lemonade solution, and it is a type of homogeneous mixture that we taste of lemon. Talking about sugar solution, we taste of sugar. Talking about salt solution, and that we take the taste of salt. We know that generally there is only liquid solution in which different types of solid, different type of liquid and different type of gas are dissolved, but also sugar solution, liquid solution. Means first we have to take the help. Solution has basically two parts, solvent First, solute plus solvent. It may be solid and liquid. Example, sugar plus 1. When the solute is liquid, and solvent is also liquid. And what is the example of this two liquid solution? Example, alcohol and water. Alcohol is also liquid and water is also definitely liquid. And let's another example, air. And before air we have discussed about next solid. This is solid and solvent is also solid. Both the solution part, the both part of solid. What is example of this? This example of alloy. Alloy is a mixture of two different metals. Alloy is a mixture of two different metals, which is zinc and copper. Zinc and copper combine to each other at a particular temperature and form a new mixed metal that we call alloy, and this alloy name is brass. In Hindi that we call pital, and brass is made up from combination of two types of metal combined to each other at homogeneity level, mixed together, means near about 78% copper and 22% zinc combined to each other and form brass metal. And it is a good example of alloy, and it is a solution mixture which is completely the copper and zinc are mixed together completely. So this is a very important to know that this is a mixture of solid into the solid, means the solid part is solid and solvent part is also solid. So in this way we have to know another example of this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, and this is a, here I am right here, 4, means solute. Every solution has two parts, solute plus solvent. And here I am going to write solute is gas and solvent is gas. Solvent is gas. Means gas is, for example, try to understand with the help of example. Gas is in minimum quantity, which is oxygen dissolved into 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen and 78% nitrogen and 2% and 2% other gases has been found into our atmosphere. So our atmosphere is a good example of air solution or gaseous solution which contain different amount of gases, which is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 2% and 1% is carbon dioxide and 0.2% are other gases, and dust particles and smoke are present in our atmosphere. So in this way we have know about solution. Generally we know that the solid part dissolve into the liquid, but here we are discussing about the solid particle is solid dissolve into the solvent liquid, but here solute particle is liquid and solid particle is also liquid. For example, alcohol and water, solid and solid particle is solid and solid particle also liquid. Solid particle solid and solid particle also solid. For example, zinc and copper combine with each other at a particular temperature and form alloy, which alloy name is brass metal, and brass metal is produced after the mixture of copper and zinc. Approximately near about 70% copper and zinc, near about 30% combined to each other and formation of brass metal, and this is a combination of solid into solid solution, and this is solute and solvent, which is sorry for that, this is gas, also gas. Here is I am going to write and discuss about solute and solvent. Both are gases in nature, and the example is the solute, which is oxygen, 2% carbon dioxide and other gases, and 78% nitrogen is act as solvent, dissolve into the atmosphere. Okay.